He just stood there and looked at it.
Oh.
Cells for construction companies.
International. Right there on the north side of 71st?
Yeah, right on the corner of 71st and Guy. Yep. Yep. Right there on the road.
They don't eat it all up.
How about you doing now? Oh, come on, no, you're right.
You gotta try it, man.
Like a whole giant
Ooh. Wow. Are they? Probably because it's the mango.
They like sweet and sour.
Yeah, they really are. Did you have some?
They like sweet and sour.
That's really what that is. I mean, very.
Is that Cameron again?
Excuse me, I gotta.
Excuse me.
So where'd you get those corn nuts from?
Oh, custom, yes. Really?
Delicious.
They're delicious. They're a little spicy.
Just give it back to this.
They're nice guys. Here, try again.
I'll tell you what, your guys' number 13 is a tough one.
Yeah.
Okay, number 28, Cameron Levy around the right side.
Yeah, those were delicious.
Those were amazing. You love them.
They like when you get older and they bring the girls around.
I'm like your wingman of spicy food.
Oh! Good pickup. Good block.
Okay, number 45, Brandon Lowe around the right side off of the bounce.
From the bounce passes, the football teams, the bounce
Oh, the water on
Eat, I would eat on them, you know. I still got a couple of things.
If I was starving, I might try one.
Brandon Lowe.
Okay, number 45, Brandon Lowe around the left side for a no.
We got the hot ones, and they are pretty hot.
Do you guys go to St. Louis often?
Occasionally, yeah.
You can pick up some real hot stuff in there.
Food.
Yeah.
I call it twice burn.
Hollywood.
I like a good hot sauce.
I do too.
Yeah.
Back on defense again. I guess they scored way early in the weekend. Yikes.
Don't worry, don't get bingo flavor.
Oh, they got it back.
And the no.
Working.
Yeah, sitting on my pajamas, playing with my twins at 10 o'clock.
I know, laid up with the missus, you know. I don't blame you.
Okay, number 9.
See what happens.
Hey, it might be a new bestseller. Make tons of money, kind of.
Across the street on
Galada, that is seasoned salt, under the powdered chili, citric acid,
Yeah.
and then you're looking at all your aguacate tostadas, estilo japoneses, sabor mango cheese. Listo.
You can read and speak it good too?
I'm half Mexican.
I'm on Spanish remember this is halfway through my quarter, so
I know Donde.
This is what you got to look for.
Ball carrier.
No, but see, the new ones don't even have that electronic guide. The whole body's a section.
And you're, as long as you're near it, it runs, and when you walk away, it turns off.
So is that good or bad for you then?
I'll barricade the door. I got a chair.
How come he has a red helmet?
You just put these in and
They didn't have a white helmet on the side?
Go, Sydney.
Gotcha. He's a big boy. But he's not even touching anybody. He didn't even touch him.
Tigor's got good grades.
Sí,
¿Cómo estás?
sí,
It means how are you doing?
sí.
See, yes.
¿Por qué?
You could say estoy mal, which is I'm bad. Estoy bien, which is I'm good. Excelente, which is excellent.
Oh, John Ball.
I'd say that's a strong. So maybe that's a little different than a semester.
I took
Studied abroad and had cheese omelets for every meal.
Oh, cramp on the side.
Come on, get him. Oh.
Why is it what you remember?
She said that so she spends all this time learning Spanish, being fluent, all the different dialects, all that stuff. Then gets a job. She moves to Madrid to be a Spanish, basically be an English teacher over there. And they put her in an immersion class. Where basically they're
Why can't I use the toilet?
go on the paper or go outside because you're gonna rub your nose in it.
Why can't I use the toilet? Would you be impressed if your dog could use the toilet?
Okay.
Game one's over, I'm guessing? That's lining up to do the little pop thing.
Nice.
You should go down there with the bag full of mango. Mango dots, that's what I'm gonna call them.
Ball carrier number.
So what's his expiration?
It's a little darker, just eat it.
They're a very clean animal. I wouldn't worry about it. Yeah. I wouldn't.
I'm not seeing any black things that he's
No. I read somewhere that.
Give that cockroach a
You
taste.
might start looking pretty good.
Hey, check this out. Oh, jeez. You trapping him? He's gonna get all angry.
Yeah, he is.
But we
All I can say is this is just second round. Look at this, bunch of grown men.
Yeah, Duncan, you're hanging out with the wrong group of people, buddy.
What? Now we're gonna. It's not my. You guys are just eating mango nuts and fruit it and we were talking about your job. It's not the big deal.
I swole up big.
So who do you guys play next week?